Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be actually installing Windows 1.0 because I finally figured out how to do this. So let's get started. So let's install Windows 1.0 in VMware. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a new virtual machine. Let's do typical. Next. So later. And since it is Microsoft Windows, I want to scroll down. Oh wait, it's not there. Let's click other. These are MS-DOS option. Yep, MS-DOS option. There's an MS-DOS option. So let's click MS-DOS. We'll call this Windows 1.0. Windows 1. Oh god, I wasn't typing. What the heck? So that's done. Windows 1.0. What? Okay, my keyboard is really destroyed, I guess. Windows 1.0. There we go. That's better. So Windows 1.0. Click next. Yeah, 2 gig partition is fine because we only need 2 gigabytes of space. Let's click next. Let's customize it, and there's gonna be a floppy disk. I don't know if there's a CD DVD drive, but whatever. We'll just keep that on. But what we need is MS-DOS. So let's click on add. We're going to add a floppy drive because you need a floppy drive. Let's click finish. There you go, floppy drive. The floppy disk image is going to be browse. Let's click on desktop, ISOs, DOS, MS-DOS, MS-DOS 5.0. Because 5.0 is the only one that will work with Windows 1.0. That's what I figured out. Close, finish, and there we go. There's Windows 1.0 here. Let's power on the virtual machine and full screen it, and also put it in stretched mode. That will be very, very nice. And there we go. We are in Microsoft MS-DOS Setup 5.0. And it says, welcome to Setup. Setup prepares MS-DOS version 5.0 to run on your system. This is just installing MS-DOS 5.0. So let's press enter. Yeah, let's press enter again. I don't want to run the shell on startup. Actually, fine. We'll run it on startup. Okay, that's sure. Alright, but okay, so now it's going to be installing. And now we need to put in disk 2. So let me press Control Alt here. Going to VM, removable devices, floppy, settings. Now we click on browse, and let's put in disk 2. Click OK, and then press enter. And there we go. There's a disk 3 time. So we go to disk removable devices, floppy, settings, browse, disk 3, and we click OK. Click that, enter. And now we need to take out all disks from the drive. So this will be hard. So let's disconnect the floppy drive. Then press enter. And it should be restart. There we go. We're in DOS here. Now let's press Shift F9. We get to the command prompt. There we go. Shift F9 for the command prompt. And yeah. So yeah, now we're in MS-DOS 5.0. If we type ver, it will say version 5.0. Now let's get Windows 1.0 installed. So yeah, you gotta make sure you have the floppy. Let's connect the drive first of all. Let's go into VM, removable devices, floppy, not CD drive, floppy disk drive. Oh, you can change it. Oh, okay. Browse. Let's go to ISOs again. Windows 1.0, 1.01, disk 1. Okay. So next we want to go to the A drive. So let's go to the, oh god, it's not detecting. Let's go to the A drive. For some reason it's not detecting my keyboard. I'm literally typing. Oh, it's laggy. Don't know why it's lagging, but I can't type colons. Like what? Okay, there we go. Now we're on the A drive. Try dr/w. There we go. Now let's run setup. Oh my god. There we go. Setup. Let's press C to continue. C Windows. C. This is not gonna work, but I'm gonna do 2, cause yeah. I'm pressing 2. Okay, there we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press 6, cause 6 has worked for me before. Alright, so now we have to insert the build disk. So let's go to VM, removable devices, floppy, settings. Browse, disk 2, okay, continue. And now it needs the utilities disks, so we'll go VM, removable devices, floppy, settings. Then we click on browse. Then we click on utility. Okay. And press C again. Oh, I pressed X. C. I don't want to set up printer, so no. Now I gotta put the desktop applications disk. So let's go back to VM, removable devices, floppy. You get the idea. You have to put in all the disks. So yeah, we're gonna just put in the apps disk, and there's gonna be one more disk after this, which is the Microsoft Windows Write disk. Yeah, there we go. The Microsoft Write program disk. So let's go back here. And we go back here. And put in the last disk. Now this will also work for VirtualBox if you're using VirtualBox. In fact, me upgrading from Windows 1.0 to Windows 11 is being done on VirtualBox because I didn't think that you could change the operating system version on VMware. So what we're gonna do is type in win, so we can load into Windows. That's win, but not win. Win, enter, and there we go. We are in. So of course we don't have a mouse, which yeah we don't, but we have Spooler, but there's no printers connected. So let's just README document. Let's do Alt F. Close. Let's do Microsoft Write. And let's type a simple little document here. Hello, I am writing this on Windows 1.0. I'll also write the date. Today, oh god, what? Today is, not OS, is August 13th, 2024. Okay, now we'll do Alt F. Alt F, save. We'll call this docum dot txt, I guess. Alt file. I think Alt escape is like for the thing. Alt escape. No, it's not. So what is that? How do you get to that? I think you just do this. I'm gonna go close, and as you can see, if we go here, where is it? Oh yeah, here, docum. Okay. So yeah, now we go to the special menu. Well, let's check about. Let's do the about information. And this is Microsoft Windows MS-DOS, version 1.01 from 1985. Yeah, that's pretty nice there. So let's end our Windows session. And of course, if we type win again, if we type win, like, I won, guys, I'm gonna win. I keep on pressing the O key. So if we type win again, you see it's just gonna load back up into this. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Alright, so please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the like button if you like the video, hit dislike if you didn't like the video. I hope you learned how to install Windows 1.0 in VMware or VirtualBox, or an actual PC if you would install this on an actual PC, because of course you could install Windows 1.0 on an actual PC. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, share it, all that stuff. Also, uploads are probably gonna slow down a bit because school starts tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna not upload like a lot. I'll still upload every week though, so don't worry about that. I'll still upload every week, but I usually used to upload like every 2 to 3 days, but now it's not gonna be every 2 to 3 days. Now it's gonna be like more like every week, like once or twice every week. Maybe I'll upload even 3 times a week. 3 times a week is yeah. Maybe I'll upload 3 days in a row, but never more than that. Maybe more than that, but probably not more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.